how to turn off connect contacts in contact syncing on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram, and then when your Instagram is opening, as you see, go down and you open your profile. Then when your profile is open and you go here and click on this three line, then you go to settings, and then guys you go to account and click, then you go to uh, contact syncing and click, then you will turn off this option by clicking at the right here on this option like that, and then click disconnect. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.